Solo Sotai, practiced as a form of self-maintenance, is a basic movement discipline that supports health, well-being, and a more fulfilling life. Its concept is very simple. Movements that feel comfortable are good for the body. By moving slowly in the direction of ease, the body's natural balance is gently restored. Before beginning Solo Sotai, there are 4 key principles to keep in mind. First, choose comfort. Move only in the direction that feels good. Avoid pain or discomfort. Never force the body. Second, slowly. When movements are rushed, subtle sensations are lost. Move as slowly and attentively as possible. Third, integration. The body is an interconnected whole. Move while sensing that connection throughout your entire system. Focus on the ball of the big toe when using your feet, and on the little finger side when using your hands. Finally, don't think, feel. Overthinking does not improve outcomes. What matters is to try and to feel. Like Zen practice, clear the mind, release unnecessary thoughts, and trust your own sensations. First, the basic posture. Stand with your feet shoulder width or hip width apart, at a stable distance. Keep your toes pointing straight forward. Gently extend your waist and spine, standing tall but relaxed. Keep the backs of your knees slightly soft. Your gaze should be directed forward. The first exercise is arm raise. Stand naturally in the basic posture. Slowly and quietly raise both arms to shoulder level. Pause for a breath, then release and let your arms drop. Repeat 3 to 5 times. One side may feel heavier or harder to raise. If so, shift your weight slightly to that side. This often makes the movement smoother, and with practice the balance will improve. The second exercise is marching in place. Stand naturally in the basic posture. Shift your hips slightly back, extend your knees and spine, and tuck your chin. Lift your knees up to about a right angle and begin marching in place. Make sure the soles of your feet land flat on the floor. Swing your arms in a large motion. Aim for 20 to 50 steps. March strongly with a solid stomp rhythm. The third exercise is forward bend. Stand naturally in the basic posture. Gently lower your upper body forward. Let your head and arms hang loosely. Go only as far as feels comfortable. Never force it. Pause for a breath at the bottom. Raise your head first, then slowly bring your body back up. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Keep the backs of your knees soft. Move slowly, let your body hang loose, and avoid any bouncing. The fourth exercise is backward bend. Stand naturally in the basic posture. Gently bend your upper body backward. Place both hands on your waist for support. Go only as far as feels comfortable. Never force it. Pause for a breath at the end. Return by lifting your chin first, then bring the body back up. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Keep the backs of your knees soft. The fifth exercise is side bend, right and left. Stand naturally in the basic posture. Shift your weight onto the side opposite the bending direction and raise your arm. Slowly bend your upper body to the side. The heel on the bending side may lift slightly, and that's fine. Go only as far as feels comfortable. Never force it. Alternate sides. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Keep your weight on the side opposite the bending direction. If one side feels more difficult, do the easier side more times. The sixth exercise is trunk rotation, right and left. Stand naturally in the basic posture. Slowly rotate your upper body to the side. Shift your weight onto the rotating side. The heel on the opposite foot will naturally lift. Alternate sides. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Keep your gaze toward the upper diagonal in the direction of the rotation. The seventh exercise is extension stretch. Stand naturally in the basic posture. Rise onto your toes as you slowly stretch both arms upward. Maintain your balance without wobbling. When fully extended, release with a gentle drop and relax. Repeat 3 to 5 times. As you extend, you will naturally rise onto your toes.
Thank you for watching. By practicing these basic movements daily with a clear mind, your body will gradually realign and move with greater ease, regardless of age. Sotai was created by Dr. Keizo Hashimoto in Sendai, Japan, and is now gaining recognition worldwide. It restores harmony of body and mind, without strong external force or side effects. As you get used to these basics, you will be ready for advanced variations and even Pair Sotai, practiced with an active mover and a supporting partner. If you would like to continue learning Sotai, please subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram. See you next time.